Welcome back to today's morning report on Non-farm Payrolls Friday, the 2nd of October, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at Euro-Dollar now. And Euro-Dollar is fairly settled, isn't it? It's sort of found that support at 11 figure, and now sort of keeps turning lower around about sort of that 13 figure level. 12.95 is the absolute high, but you sort of got about a 200 pip range in the last sort of week and a half. Momentum indicators pretty much neutral, aren't they? Very slight downward move on those stochastics, but I'm not really taking too much from that. I think that's sort of reflective of the fact that we're trading sort of just underneath the midpoint of that range. That range, obviously, midpoint is 112 figure, and I've got here 112 figure, which interestingly enough is a bit of a pivot level, isn't it? Over the last few days, so 112 figure is possibly a level that you could use, but to be honest, I can't really see Euro making too much headway either way in front of this payrolls report. It is slightly weaker today with this sort of improvement in risk sentiment, and that's sort of been a bit of a drag on the Euro, but still we're trading within this band, sort of 200 pip band we've got in place here. And momentum indicators, again, look at that. Every time it gets towards 70, you get the sell signal, buy signal at 30, and it sort of continues that way. So very neutral near term on the Euro. So your key levels to look out for, obviously 111 and 113 pretty much. 111 on the downside. Big support actually 111, that's the big medium term pivot level. If that breaks, then you're looking at 110.50, which is the bottom of that medium term band that I've been taking 50 pips worth. And then if you get a really strong payroll support, you could see one at 110.15 tested, and a close below that would be very negative for euro dollar on the medium term basis within this range. You could well see a move back towards the lows then, but that's on a very strong report. I don't expect a very strong report. I'm expecting pretty much a middle of the road report, so I reckon we're going to probably, with volatility, might see a spike, but I don't think that we're going to end the day today outside the this 200 pip band. So move up above 113 would open that range high at 114.65. So a few levels for you to work with, but in front of the report, I think neutral outlook on euro dollar. So I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.